Welcome to another episode. Today I'm doing a 2009 Pontiac G8 3.6 liter. And a lot of people want to know how to replace the starter. I'm not going to go through the entire video. The starter looks like this. You want to take the two bolts out, which are, I think were 11 millimeter star bolts. Take the two bolts out to hold the starter, and you want to try to back it up out of there. Basically, you cannot get it out unless you move the catalytic converter on the driver's side. You take the three bolts out, the three nuts off, 1, 2, 3 off the top, and take the two off the bottom. Connects that with the flange right down there. Take the two bolts off, drop that pipe out your way, and you got all the room you want to get that starter out. Then you can take the wires off from the top of the car. You can reach down and remove the wires. One's a 10 millimeter and the other one is a fucking 13 millimeter or something. And take the wires off, the starter drops right out. So if you're looking for a fast and easy way, like you almost have enough room, you want to bang on it and all of that shit, pretty much it's not going to work. Believe me, I tried it. So just drop the damn pipe and it'll save you a headache and a lot of time. So you might as well, buy your gaskets to go with the pipe before you even do the job, so you can replace your gaskets also.